Are you looking for the best booster seats in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best booster seats. Starting at number 5, we have the BubbleBum Inflatable Booster Car Seat. The BubbleBum is a booster we love for what it is, but we encourage you not to ignore what it isn't. This option is lightweight, weighing only 0.9 pounds in our tests, rolls up in its own travel bag, and is one that is uber easy to take on travel or for little ones to carry for carpooling or camp. The similar Hiccupop Uber Boost weighs slightly more at 1.1 pounds. The BubbleBum is easy to use, and the inflated bottom is comfy enough. Our kid tester remarked, "I like the blow-up cushion over the harder plastic boosters." The BubbleBum earned an average score for crash test analysis, beating out the other travel and backless options we tested. We love that this seat provides potential protection in situations where little ones might not use a safety seat at all, and we think it is an excellent choice for a second seat or frequent travel. This booster has a tendency to shift under passenger weight and could cause trouble for some passengers with chronic adjustments or longer thighs. Kid testers report you can't shift around very much, or you'll need to adjust the booster a lot. The Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 used in a backless configuration could be the better solution if comfort is paramount. The Chicco provides more versatility since it can be used with the high back when it is convenient to do so. However, if your little one needs a booster for travel, camp, or carpool situations, it is hard to find something better suited for the task than the BubbleBum. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Perego Viaggio Flex 120 Booster Seat. The Perego Viaggio Flex 120 is an impressive high-back booster we really love. This booster earned better results for crash test analysis than the average booster in our tests, bringing a combination of better sensor data for both the head and chest sensors to the table. This booster is highly adjustable for kids of various sizes, it is easy for parents and kids to use, and it is a high-quality option that got good marks for comfort. Our tester says this is a great option for kids of different sizes because it has so many adjustment points, including width. The Peg is on the expensive side for the group, and for families on a budget, the Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 could be a better fit with similar scoring overall and a price of almost half. The Chicco could be a good choice if your budget is tight. The Nuna AACE earned better crash test analysis results, so it could also save you money and bring somewhat better safety potential to the table. The Peg also doesn't offer armrests. While we didn't think this was a huge problem, and our child tester didn't miss them, it is something to consider if your child wants them or will use them. The Perego Viaggio Shuttle Plus 120 is similar to the Flex, but it has armrests and the same crash analysis score and price, making it a potential choice if armrests feel like a deal breaker. Overall, if your budget allows, the Perego is a great all-around option that we think doesn't disappoint. At number 3, we have the Chicco KidFit ClearTex Plus 2-in-1 Belt Positioning Booster Car Seat. The Chicco KidFit ClearTex Plus 2-in-1 is a straightforward, no-nonsense booster that secures your vehicle using latch. This fairly lightweight option, weighing 10.3 pounds in our tests, earned an above-average overall score and performed well in most metrics. It is easy to install using latch connectors to prevent it from being a projectile if no one is in the seat. Super easy to use, and better quality than most options in even higher price ranges. As our tester stated, it is a great overall seat, even if it isn't a standout for any one thing. I wasn't disappointed in any aspect of it. This Chicco is somewhat wide, with a measured width of 18.4 inches in our tests. While not the widest in the group, it is wider than the average, which hovers closer to 16 inches. This extra couple of inches didn't cause us trouble buckling in, but it could come into play with seating 3 across the same back seat. The UPPAbaby Alta V2 is another budget choice with a width of only 15.5 inches if space is at a premium in your car. The KidFit also doesn't have standout crash test performance results. While it performed well enough and doesn't give us concern, it isn't the best fit for those who want the best crash test results. The Nuna AACE earned top marks for crash test analysis, but it has a price more than double that of the KidFit. Overall, we like the KidFit, and so did our kid testers, with one saying, "I like the headrest, it is super comfy." At number 2, we have the UPPAbaby Alta V2 high back booster seat. The UPPAbaby Alta V2 is a better seat at a great price. This booster earned better than average crash test analysis results, with one of TH lower chest clip, G-score, results in the group. Lower is better. It is a high-quality option with super soft fabric, EPP foam in the headrest, and features that work as they should. Our kid tester gave the material a 9 out of 10 score, stating, "This fabric is almost too soft for a car seat." The Alta V2 has a rigid latch connection to keep the seat from moving, and it was easy to use and didn't get in the way of the vehicle buckle. In our tests, the Alta V2 belt path was easy to use, even with the seat back/headrest in the topmost position. While similar to other booster seats in the group, our kid tester didn't like the comfort of the Alta, stating, "I think it feels like a rock with a blanket on it." We agree it could use more support padding or padding for comfort, but it isn't alone in this. If comfort is your jam, or you want to limit kid complaints on longer trips, the Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 is the better bet, with its ample padding, comfy headrest, and leg support lounger. Our child tester felt the armrests got in the way of fitting the belt in the buckle, but still managed to get the job done without help. If armrests feel unnecessary, the Perego Viaggio Flex 120 is a highly adjustable seat that doesn't have armrests, and none of our testers seem to miss them. The Alta V2 is also somewhat heavy, with a measured weight of 17.4 pounds. It isn't one you'd want to take on travel, and the back is not removable to cut down the size. Alternatively, the Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 is lighter, with the back in place by almost 6 pounds, and the back can be removed for a more compact travel companion. The Alta V2 is a high-quality choice we really like. With a reasonable price and better crash analysis, it is one most families will appreciate. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 booster car seat. The Chicco KidFit Zip Air Plus 2-in-1 is a great seat for most families. It offers better crash test analysis results for a price that feels like a steal. These factors make it great for those on a budget or as a second seat. With nice features for comfort, like supportive padding and additional leg lounge padding, it is easy to see why kid testers gave it a big thumbs up in our review. Our child tester stated, "I could sit here all day, so relaxing." The Air Plus is an easy-to-use option for parents and kids, and the higher quality materials imply it will last as long as you need it to. In our tests, the Chicco was easy to secure to the car via push-style latch connectors and a quick tightening strap in the front. It sports dual cup holders and a snack accessory box with a flip-top lid. The Chicco can switch to a backless booster for easier travel, but is still one of the lightest high-back boosters in the group, weighing only 11.8 pounds in our tests. Given that the Britax Grow with You weighs in excess of 26 pounds, the Chicco feels like a feather in comparison. The Air Plus headrest and fabric cover aren't our favorite, and the Perego Viaggio Flex 120 offers a more comfortable headrest and adjustability to help ensure better napping comfort. Our tester reports, "I don't like the fabric. It is weird to have the rougher fabric in the head area where cheeks would rest." The Chicco is also somewhat wide, with a base that measured 18.2 in our tests. While this is nothing compared to the Britax at 21.5 in, it is still wider than options like the UPPAbaby Alta V2 with a width of 16 in and similar crash test results. Overall, this Chicco is an impressive option that offers something for everyone with better quality materials and a design that clearly considers passengers and parents.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.